Hello everyone, welcome to Small Model Car. Today we've got something that you don't normally see in real world. Mostly you see it in news where UN vehicles or some place where the war is going on. You see these ambulances, and this is a 2024 Toyota Land Cruiser 70 series. It's basically a newer old vehicle. 70 series has been in production for a long time, and they are kind of unbreakable. So you find them when you won't find another vehicle. This particular model is by Matchbox Moving Parts, and if I slide it down, you can see it has an opening door. You can even see there, and it's new for 2026. So let's not waste any more time. Let's open it up and see how does it look. There is a quick look at the 70 series ambulance. I don't know what's written in Urdu there. Can't read it. If anybody knows, just leave a comment. Seems to have some nice details, and I think Matchbox usually does a good job with their moving parts. So let's deep dive into it and look at all the details. So here it is, the 70 series ambulance. Now, this one is a moving part, so it does have a opening hood, which we'll look at later. I'm going to start from the front. So in the front, you can see there are a lot of good details: painted headlamp, grille, Toyota badge, a big black old school metal bumper, and you can also see a snorkel here, windshield wipers. Don't see any mirror though. I don't know why they missed it. Let's move to the passenger side or driver. No, it's a left and right, so driver side. I thought it was right hander. I don't know why. On the side, again, there are a lot of good details. You can see painted details, Land Cruiser badge there, turn indicator on the sides, both on the fender and near the headlamp. Wheels we have seen on so many different Matchbox SUVs. They don't look bad here. I would have loved something like a steely that would have looked like a steel wheel. But it's a moving button, so I'm fine with that. You have ambulance on the side, plus sign. I'm assuming that's ambulance in Urdu. You can see the windows. So it's a single door, not a two door. So we'll have a big flat bed or something in the back for the patients. This black trim goes around from front to back, wheel arches and everything. Very old school look. On the back, it gets a split tailgate. A lot of good details here. You can see detailed tail lamps, a number plate, then ambulance, Toyota badge, VX, and a stop lamp. And also you can see a step here. So a lot of good details on this one. I can see. Passenger side looks almost identical. There are two doors. I don't know if it has two tanks. I'm not sure. But this one definitely is for fuel tank. This one I'm not sure. Interior is finished in black, and then you have sliding windows. If you look here, you can see those are sliding windows. No sunroof or anything. Base is plastic with just a shaft going there. Give me a sec. Let me see if I can use another light to show you the interior in the back. Well, I tried, but because of the way the windows are, I don't think I'm able to get a light into it. Also, it's tinted. But I can say it has got some medical equipment, a bench seat, and a jump seat on the side to attend the patient, I guess. Well, and this one has opening hood. So let's just open that up, and we can see what's inside. So this is the engine bay, and it actually has got a lot of good details in there. If you see, you've got a lot of painted details, and which does look good. Matchbox has been doing some good job with their engine bays recently, and I like it. Well, painted details always make it look better. So, the biggest question: should you buy this one? Have you already got one? That's another question. I like this. I like the Toyota Land Cruiser. Older ones look really good, and Matchbox has done a good job with this one. So if you are looking for one, don't hesitate, go for it. I think it will go really well with the Land Cruiser 76 truck, which I might have one. We'll make a quick video to show that. Well, those are my thoughts. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.